Yes, very beautiful day to all of you now because we're not really sure again which one is morning, which one is afternoon, which one is in the night. But any time of the day, where you day, depending on where you dey watch us, if it be 6 hours behind us, or 6 hours before us, or 6 hours ahead of us, or if it be the same time, it no really matter. But I just dey throw away salute, dey greet everybody this beautiful day. And they ask say how una day. I hope everything dey kajad from yesterday to this particular time where we don't come on top the level. All right, simple and short. PADI is going to be only me, so I'm going to be a pad. The PADI, other PADI, is not really, this body. I tell people, you see, this body is not really a firewood. You understand? This body is not really a firewood. Sometimes the body used to give way to tiredness. The body used to give way to physical stress. The body used to give way to sufferness of the upper skin of the human nature. You understand? So you go need to calm down. You go need to rest. So the other PADI, that's what happened. His body give way to upper pain of the upper layer of the human skin. So he need to rest his body, aka he needed rest. Very simple as short. Anyways, I greet everybody who don't join us on top PADI. So now only me and una go run this package. Anyhow where it be, you like it, it's okay. You didn't like it much, it's okay. You are that cherish it, it's okay. You didn't appreciate it much, it's okay. But I just want you to know that whether you like it or not, I'm still your favorite. You understand? Yes, sir. Anyways, so welcome on the show, and then we go move the package. Don't forget, so we get Yan the Yan, we get Laugh the Laugh, and many other things to carry, take, rule the matter. So it's only me one that is here today. So it's okay. Just help me. Look. In this life, we have to help each other. Nobody can really stand alone. So as I dey like this, so I dey imagine, say I just dey swoon, I just dey smile, just dey happy. Now the image what I get from my head, don't disappoint my image. Don't disappoint my image. You need to smile. Give me a smile. Open your teeth a little wider. There we go. Thank you very much. Let's go on a break. We shall be right back. We shall be right back in a short, small, tinkly way. You see, for this life where we dey, so I need to tell you people something. You see, this life where we do, so it good make person know they deceive himself. See, you need to accept when you have reached one stage in your life that you know that, the old things you used to do again, you cannot do them no more. Accept it. Because when you know they accept and this kind of thing they happen, you need to learn to accept things. We are old, accept it. You didn't have the body to bubble again, so that you will not be doing look at this in this in your age and time. You understand? So if you want to groove now, because there's season for everything. May you not be late for your own season, because this video where we just watch now is I think that she's quite late for her season. I make her they do some kind of things for some kind of time. You understand? Very simple and short. Anyway, moving on to Yan the Yan. You want to give me Yan the Yan or what? And we are back. Now, the first gist one I want to give you today concerns those of you who are waiting for Inside Lagos. That reminds me, yes, if you watch us for Inside Lagos, tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody them. If you want to watch us, just go on top your TV, carry your remote, make you search on top UHF 57 for Inside your TV. Now, free to air. As I talk now, go just see me one timely. You understand? Just search that level. And you get opportunity for you to win antennas. So just listen to Wazobia FM and you go figure opportunity to win free antennas. But with or without that, just search on top your TV, UHF 57, and there we are, Wazobia 1. On top, simple and short. Now, back to the gist when I get for you for inside the city of Lagos. For those of you waiting for Inside Lagos, where they hear me now, for that Ajegule side, if you know that level, say aye. You understand? Now where that one happen. And for those waiting for diaspora, you see there's a particular area in Lagos State that is called a Ajegules. You understand? That for there now in this particular thing happen. Now for inside that side, the Lagos State Command don't arrest one man. Make I give you the gist of this man. Now this particular guys, it's a guys because the guy have multiple personality. So it's not a guy, he's a present continuous, it's a guysing. Understand? Because today it can be a man, tomorrow it can be a woman. This particular guy, they arrest him. Reason because the guy, they dress like woman to collect money from men. How this one they take happen, I go tell you. So for inside Ajegule side, for that bus stop side, one bus stop for inside that side, yeah, they argue with one particular guy. Now, she they call herself Khadijat. All right? She they call herself Khadijat. She be they argue with one man. He be like she collect 15,000 naira from the man hand. In fact, you know this long hijab where they wear, where they cover body. Now waiting in they wear, can't dress as woman. I just say go even use makeup and one of those things then just to resemble woman. Now this particular guy Hasimu, she meets Hasimu where they for number 25 Iyana Street Ajegunle, and she agrees say she go begin date this guy. No be him. It be like say Hasimu suppose move the girl go house. You understand, some kind of thing like that. But she don't collect money. She don't already collect 15,000 for Hasimu hand. Now this man disguised as woman now. Make her you call her she. That time, that period, she be she. You understand? She don't collect the money from Hasimu hand. Now they come they argue. For inside that argument, now police can't come there say because they argue for bus stop. Now police can't come there and say waiting they happen. Two of na oya alele station. As they no fit resolve her for there, now they say ya alele mo could they go station. This station where they go now they realize say this Auntie Khadija is come and be a man. Come on, in real name, that's Kajidat. In name now Hussaini Biyaya. Hussaini Biyaya from Teke Town for inside Kano State. He said don't they do it for 2 years and then they do it to collect money from men. They come ask and say, what happened? He say, well, in the do survivor of the victims. And saying don't collect money from men, from different men. You don't even remember how much. But this particular one we put down for trouble now 15,000 and collect. I can't the one that say come. Even some man, I'm not really trying to judge anybody. But I'm just saying that some man, when you see a woman, you didn't really know much. I mean, a man is going to some woman gun. You people can't men when they carry anything. See dress cover body or down. The voice, if man changing voice to woman own, you go know. When you hear real woman they talk, you go know. So from the voice, from the from the biabia, from the vein, from the way where the hand take beat, you know think come. Now only for nights when they see woman, because I don't really understand how men can fall prey to. I didn't get it much. You understand? But the story be say, in they collect money from men, and they wonder me. People they hustle. People they hustle. This one and another person hustle, but then catch you. I didn't really know what to say about it. I don't know who to blame. Maybe not the man where they dress like a woman, or the people where they carry the man where they dress like the woman, because. If you feel say you get anything to talk about, just go Twitter at Wazobia PADI at Wazobia PADI. Make I know what you think about it, because as far as me is concerned, you can't really play that kind of a trick on me. I know some kind of like my guy Ogbolo. No, you can't do that. You can't do that because Ogbolo like to see full force of what is really kind of a carrying. You understand? So you cannot cover your body up and down. Let us see your legs. Let us see your hand. Let us even see your neck. But when you cover from head to toe, you now come and say you are a girl, your name Khadija. If you talk to Khadija, my name is Khadija. Won't I kind of like know that? Come on. Let's move on. But they say they go charge them to court and then go. Now waiting, they say they go charge them with 9. They laugh me pass. The police spokesman talks that they go charge them to court for allegedly impersonating women to defraud men. And now the thing where they take charge. Now the thing where they take charge and to court be that. Lagos, I hail thee. All right, moving on. I go just give you the next disc. Make we enter inside that matter as the level they be. Now, this particular one happened for inside the city of India. You see, if you dey watch me now, I need you to know, say, now God, they give children. No. So, childlessness, no be really by whether you be bad person before, or you be good person before, or you be saints. Anything fit cause childlessness. Even ordinary toilet something where you catch, if you no treat them well, if it cause childlessness. Maybe one of these days we go call doctor, make we for talk about this thing, because some people feel say if you no get pikin, now because you don't do one bad thing, you don't do this, you don't do that. No, you need to slow down on people. Not be waiting they cause childlessness. Sometimes not be even na carelessness na they cause them. Anyway, I go give you this G. So this particular woman for inside the city of India, Salum Timaka na be her name. Salum Timaka. I don't know whether I pronounce the name well. Now, at this particular age, she be 103 years old. 103 years old. She and her husband name be Timaka. Two of them find children tired, they no see. you know, say village people don't talk, insult them, abuse them, and they say, okay, this is where they find children. Instead, we go, they waste our time. You know what? Let us build trees. Make we use our farm well. Make we build trees. Now, so then begin build trees. This particular farmland where they use them, and they tell you this thing, the thing is very, very vast. Very vast because it's a little bit away from their village. But this particular land in a very, 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 very vast land, then build the trees, sote the trees. Now, about 384 trees now in there, and it is worth of 1.5 million rupees. That's quite a lot of money for Indian people them. Now, this particular woman, as I follow you talk now, people don't appreciate what she don't do. Sote, she don't win different award. About 80 kilometers away from state capital of Bangalore now in this thing day. It is very long. In fact, the length of the tree, the length of the land where this tree day, it long. Sote, he enter villages like Hulikal and Kudo. The thing span enter from one village to another. So you can imagine how large where the thing be. People, they come there, state government, they come there, their federal government for there, they go there. It's so bad that I know we say it's so bad. It's so good. It's so good that after the husband died for 1991, then give this woman different various awards. Ecosystem people give them award. Natural habitat people give them award. Food plantation people give them award. Even the India people them give them award. You understand? So them channel their energy into something else. Yes, they no get children. Yes, they do everything they can, but children no agree come. But they channel their energy into something. So they try talk, say, it not be good. You see, I not talk, say, make you no strive, make you no try for children to come. It's a good thing. If pikin come very early, thank God. If you no come early, pray to God, your own will come. But while you they wait, engage yourself. Because the truth be say, if you dey find pikin, you no see him, the thought of am fit kill you. I be woman, I know, and they tell you this thing. The thought of am fit kill you. But while God they answer your prayer, channel your mind to something. Do something productive. You understand? Do something that even you yourself go dey proud of. Do something that even God go dey proud of to say, okay, when you're ready to bless you, he bless you well. You understand? I mean, it's a good thing. It's a good thing what these particular people do. And you wait there, so no worry yourself. Pikin go come. Now you just worry yourself over nothing. Take it from the word of my mouth today. I see children and they are coming right for you. For those of you where they find pikin, don't worry yourself. If they come simple and short, let's go and break Jare. Calm down your ball. The children, they will come. Will they come back? 90% of us, they're guilty of this thing. No lie. You, where they look me and they laugh. No lie. 90% of us, they're guilty. Now only God go help us. Only God may go help us. All right, make we go on to the part 2 of Yan the gist when I carry come meeting. Me, myself, and I, on behalf of myself and my king, Ogbo Skilala. Meanwhile, if you follow the station on top Twitter, at Wazobia PADI. Follow us on Twitter. Follow me personally at Mayowa Lambe and my darling king at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. When I come back, I will give you the Instagram handles. But just look to the down level of your screen and you will see all the Twitter handles where you can follow us for there. All right, sticking on top the matter of Yan. Now, for inside Japan, then you know, say Japan people, they're not really too well like that. You understand? They're not really too well. So they get different things. Then they get cafe where you feel go if you they feel heartbreak. Then get cafe where you feel go if you want meet single people. Then get cafe where you feel go if you want cuddle. Then get cafe where you feel go if you want to see owl. Then get cafe where you feel go if you want to see macho people. Then get different things. Now only them get where then they put people for inside sand. Now only them get where then they put people for inside poto to take do you massage. Then get different things. But the intent now, be say now for this particular cafe, then they call them Shangri-La. Shangri-La, I don't know whether I call them well. Forgive me if I didn't. Shangri-La, now one cafe when they just open for inside Akihabara, for inside Tokyo. Now, the girls them, now only girls them employ as waitresses, all of them are big. They are plus size women. Yes, plus size. In fact, if they started and they find waitress, you know if you go there if you be like me. They are plus size women. And now they can't ask us, okay, why then do this kind of thing? Why then do this kind of thing? Then talk say, because they want to show people, say, no be only lepa, feel rule the world. Even, plus size too, then get space for all these kind of things them. And the funny thing be say, for that cafe, they know they sell junk food. That's the funny thing. They know they sell junk food, then they sell better food where be say this particular Italian chef they prepare. Now, then they sell better Italian food. Instead, they sell food prepared by an Italian chef, organic ingredients. Now they take make this food. So they know they sell junk food. That's the irony of it. No junk food, but all the waitresses, they be plus size. You understand? So that when you come, you go see plus size women, you go know, say, yes, not only lekpa fit do things them. What a lekpa than do a rubber can also do better. And according to them, then say, then get the best pizza for the whole of Akihabara. Now, so then follow talk. So they just start this one, but as the cafe runs, as it runs faster, we go to give you the info because you know say where they start them. But we sure say people go to go there plenty because Japan then they like all these kind of things, then they like them. All these kind of things, then they like them. The fact that only fat women they there, they go one go just to go and see. People go tourist attraction go one go there just to go and see the cafe that houses only big women. Is funny. But Japan, shout out to you. Anyhow, when I take do it's so good. Now for the last gist when I get for you, today I won't tell you. Say if you do any illegal business, not be any situation push you. It is all on you. Yes, if you do any illegal thing, just to make money, just to feed, it is all on you, and I will tell you why. My brother, my sister, everybody get talent. Everybody get talent. Everybody fit acquire one skill or the other. And another thing I go talk is say, no be till person teach you. Only you fit sit down, begin teach yourself something. By the time you do it a couple of times, you go there good at them. That's why people when they lie for Africa. Because once you begin lie 1, 2, 3 times, you go master the act. Once you begin thief, you go master the act. So instead of lying and stealing, why you no go just teach yourself better things so that when you do them over time, you go master them and then you go begin use that thing to help yourself. And I'll tell you why. That's not the case of this particular 16-year-old Joanna Wiraska. Joanna Wiraska, now she teach herself how to paint. She teach herself how to paint. And you can't know the funny part of them. They say she know they paint on top paper. She know they paint on top wood. She know they paint on top board. She they paint on top leaves. Something where she feel see anywhere around her. She go pick leaves, put them for inside one book, make sure say them dry, paste them on top book, make sure say them dry. Can't use water paint, butter-based paint, black. Take paint everything and then she go come begin painting with beautiful colors. She teach herself. And she decided, that's it. She paints on leaves. And she decided, say she go do teach herself. So if somebody fit do this kind of thing and she's just 16-year-old, you don't get excuse. Nobody teach her how to paint. Now she begin doing by herself and they use leaves. Unthinkable. So waiting be your own excuse where you no go fit do something better with your life. Where you go talk say if you no carry drugs, you no go better for you. If you no carry, if you no lie, you no go do better thing. If you no thief, you no go use your life better, do better thing. If you no defraud people, you no go feel better for you. Who tell you say small things no go feel make your life better? People come to buy her paintings. People come to exhibit her paintings. People come to carry her painting and go and use it in their house as a something. As a as a decoration. So why do you want to kill yourself? Why do you want to sleep in prison cell? Why do you want to wound yourself? Why do you want to kill people to make money? Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. Help yourself. And Lord will help you. Let's go on the break and funny for the 13 be me, aka I'm angry. Instagram at Wazobia TV NG. Follow my humble self at Mayowa Lambe and my darling at Ogbolo. All of us they there. And if you do on top YouTube, of course, youtube.com/Wazobia PADI. You go see all the episode for there. Thank you so much. So una just manage me as I am today, and una know to make me feel the absence of my guy, my G. I don't know why they point that side, but thank you very much. All right, God bless you, and stay tuned because tomorrow we shall come again in another splific manner. For now, have a very good day. Bye.
If you don't just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No, darling.